Uh-oh, leaks and cracks can create an expensive mess. Now where's the cash for those repairs? Now, fix those leaks for good with the original Clear FixTape, the ultra-strong waterproof tape that instantly seals, bonds, and repairs any surface. Now, anyone can be a home repair expert with the original FixTape. FixTape is the only waterproof tape available in clear. The secret is a rubberized super hydrophobic material that bonds to the surface, creating a permanent watertight seal that can repair anything. FixTape can be cut to any size and bends to any surface to get in cracks and crevices for neat, invisible repairs. Now fix leaking pool liners permanently without draining the water. No one will even know it's there. Look, this fire hydrant puts out 600 gallons of water per minute and 50 pounds of pressure per square inch. But it's no match for our super strong FixTape. Amazing! We are turning this kayak into a clear bottom boat. Simply add Clear FixTape and in seconds, it creates a waterproof seal. Look, the original FixTape is totally holding. A rip can let the air out of fun, but FixTape can instantly repair any inflatable. It's great for do-it-yourselfers, home repairs, boats, heavy-duty car repairs, recreational vehicles, and camping equipment. FixTape can be used on plastic, metal, glass, wood, and so much more. A plumber can charge $300 just to walk in the door. Now anyone can be a home repair expert with the awesome watertight power of FixTape. You can always have a roll of FixTape around in your choice of black, white, or clear for only $9.99. But hold everything. When you order in the next 10 minutes, we're going to double this incredible offer free. That's an extra roll of FixTape for your house, boat, car, anywhere. FixTape is not sold in stores, so call or click now at buyfixtape.com.